Hello friends, in this video I'm going to teach you how to highlight bottom 10 values in Excel with the help of conditional formatting. We have seen many videos of the conditional formatting till now on our YouTube channel Excel Tricks with Tejraj. And with these videos you are now very much familiar with the option where we can find the conditional formatting on our Excel screen. But for our new users or new subscribers, I'm going to teach you from the scratch. So first, we should know where we can find the option conditional formatting on our Excel screen. For this, we have to go to the Home tab and under Styles group, here we can find the option conditional formatting. Once we click on this conditional formatting, there are many other conditional formatting subtopics or sub options we can say which will appear on our screen. But in this video, we will going to focus on how to highlight these bottom 10 items or bottom 10 values of the selected cells. So let's begin with this topic. For your easy reference, I have prepared a dummy data of these 20 students and marks obtained by each student in the subject Maths, English and Science. And here I have calculated total marks obtained by each student. So what we will do, we will calculate the bottom 10 values from this total column. So first we have to select all the cells from which we wish to highlight the bottom 10 values. So in our case, we want to highlight the bottom 10 values from the column total. So I have highlighted or selected all these values. After this, we will go to the Home tab and under Styles group, we will click on the option Conditional Formatting. Under this, we will click on the second option, that is Top Bottom Rows, and from this we have to click on the third option, that is Bottom 10 Items. With this, we can see that Bottom 10 Items dialog box will now appear on our screen. In this dialog box, we have to provide two types of input. First is the format cells that rank in the bottom. So here 10 value is already written as we are highlighting the bottom 10 values, and the second input is our formatting style. So by default here light red fill with the dark red text is already selected, but if we want to change to other formatting style, we have to click here on the drop down menu, and here we can see multiple styles. So we will stick with the default option, that is light red fill with dark red text, and click on the OK button. Once we click on the OK button, we can see that bottom 10 values are highlighted with the selected formatting style. This is simple process, or we can say that this is basic concept. Now there might be a question in your mind that I don't want to highlight bottom 10 values. I want to highlight just bottom 5 values only. So how we can highlight bottom 5 values? That also we can do. For example, we have to highlight bottom 5 values from the column Maths. So I have selected all these desired cells. Again we will go to the Home tab and under Conditional Formatting we will select bottom 10 items option. Now previously we have kept the first input, that is 10, as it is, but in this case we don't want to highlight the bottom 10 values. We have to highlight only bottom 5 values. So what we will do, we will decrease this value from 10 to 5. So this is our first input, that is format cells that rank in the bottom 5 with, and second input is our formatting style. Now in this case we will change the formatting style to the green fill with the dark green text and click on the OK button. Now we can see that bottom 5 values are now highlighted with the selected formatting style. So this is very simple process and you can try on your data, and if you have any questions or queries you can write us in the comment section. Thank you. Have a great day. I hope you enjoyed this video. If yes, hit like button and share with your friends. If you have any questions, suggestions or feedback, do let us know through your comments. And most important, subscribe to our channel and press bell icon to get notifications about our newly uploaded videos.